NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has done more than deliver breathtaking images. It has triggered a scientific shockwave so profound that NASA issued a red alert, an acknowledgement that our understanding of the universe may be far more incomplete than anyone dared to imagine. Built at a cost of $10 billion and designed to peer further into the past than any instrument before it, Webb was expected to reveal the quiet beginnings of galaxies, small faint smudges of light marking the first sparks of cosmic history. Instead, it has uncovered a universe that appears far too mature, far too vast, and far too intricate to fit the models humanity has trusted for decades. What was supposed to be a look into the universe's infancy has instead revealed galaxies that are already massive, fully formed, and impossibly bright, appearing just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. According to our theories, such structures shouldn't exist so soon. The data suggests that cosmic evolution happened on a scale and at a speed that no current model can explain. For scientists, this isn't just surprising, it's unsettling. Either our timeline of the universe is wrong, or the very processes that shaped it are still hidden from us. And then there's the scale. Astronomers expected Webb's deep field images to eventually reveal an edge, or at least a thinning out of galaxies at the farthest distances. But instead, the telescope keeps finding layer upon layer of cosmic structures. Each frame it captures contains thousands of galaxies, and beyond them lie countless more, stretching out into what seems like infinity. If every one of those galaxies contains billions of stars and uncountable planets, then the probability of life existing somewhere else in this vastness rises from possibility to near certainty. The red alert was not about danger in the ordinary sense. It was about knowledge, about a paradigm shift so enormous that scientists now face rewriting the story of the cosmos. Accepted models of star formation, dark matter, cosmic inflation, and galaxy growth are all being challenged. Astronomers describe the shock of seeing galaxies that shouldn't exist yet, shining brightly in an era that was supposed to be dark. Some suggest that dark matter, long considered passive, might play a far greater role in accelerating structure than previously thought. Others whisper about hidden phases of the universe, or even earlier cycles before the Big Bang itself. But Webb's mission is not only about distant galaxies. Its ability to pierce through cosmic dust with infrared light allows it to study exoplanets as well, scanning their atmospheres for gases like methane, carbon dioxide, or even oxygen, signs that could point toward life. Each newly revealed world, orbiting stars scattered across billions of galaxies, expands the horizon of possibility. Somewhere out there, another civilization may be gazing back at its own sky, just as we are now. The telescope's images are not merely scientific data. They are art created by the universe. Spirals of stars, glowing clouds of nebulae, and dazzling clusters arranged with a beauty that seems almost intentional. Seeing them is to confront our own smallness. For centuries, humanity has been pushed further from the center of the universe, first by Copernicus, then by Hubble, and now by Webb. These discoveries remind us that our planet is a fragile oasis in a cosmos too vast for comprehension. At the same time, the revelations are inspiring. Webb itself is a triumph of human ingenuity, built by thousands of people across the world, unfolding in space like a giant golden flower. Its discoveries prove what humanity can achieve when driven by curiosity and ambition. Already, scientists are dreaming of what comes next: telescopes larger than Webb, technologies that could one day image continents on distant exoplanets, or even missions that might one day carry us beyond our solar system. The implications ripple far beyond science. Philosophy, religion, art, and culture are all being forced to re-examine their place in the story of existence. If the universe is infinite, filled with galaxies and worlds, what does it mean to be human? Are we insignificant specks or the only part of the universe able to look back and wonder at itself? For many, Webb's revelations are both humbling and exhilarating. They remind us that our search for meaning is not diminished by the scale of reality. It is made all the more urgent. NASA's red alert is more than a scientific notice. It is a signal to humanity that we are standing on the edge of a new era of discovery. The universe is larger, older, and more mysterious than we ever believed. Every answer Webb provides only deepens the mystery, forcing new questions and daring us to expand our imagination. The story of the James Webb Space Telescope is not about closure, it is about beginnings. A beginning that invites us to dream bigger, explore further, and embrace the infinite possibilities of a cosmos that has only just begun to reveal its secrets. So, what do you think? Does Webb prove that the universe is truly infinite? Are we on the verge of discovering other worlds with life? Or even rewriting the story of creation itself? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more explorations of the mysteries that lie beyond. Humanity is only at the start of its greatest journey, one that reaches into the stars and beyond the boundaries of imagination itself. And maybe, just maybe, that's the greatest discovery of all, that the universe refuses to be simple. Every time we think we've reached the edge of understanding, it pulls the curtain back and shows us another layer, deeper and stranger than the last. The James Webb Space Telescope has not given us a conclusion. It has given us an invitation to question, to imagine, and to step beyond the limits of what we once thought possible. Think about it. A single telescope floating a million miles from Earth has already forced us to confront the possibility that the universe is infinite, that galaxies formed faster than we can explain, and that worlds like our own may be scattered everywhere. If this is what we've uncovered in just the first chapters of Webb's story, what will the rest reveal? 10 years from now, we might look back at this moment as the point when humanity first realized that the universe is not just out there. It is alive with possibilities waiting for us to reach further. So as you sit here, staring at these images and hearing this story, remember that you are part of it. You are living in the first age where humanity can look this far back in time, this far out into space. The red alert is not a warning of fear. It's a reminder of wonder. A reminder that our species has only just begun to explore and that the greatest discoveries still lie ahead.